Hey rock stars, I'm Hallie, the CHO here at ACS, and the purpose of this video is to make sure that everyone is aware of our three-step process for clocking in and clocking out. The first step everyone should take to do so is by using Swept, our main app for scheduling. The second step you would take is to use our IVR system. Now you're only going to use this process if you're having technical difficulties with step 1. So if you're having issues with the service in the area, or you're out of data, or you're having difficulties with Swept itself, you would then use this process. How our IVR system works is almost every account has an approved landline. If you're unsure what phone this is, feel free to reach out to us here in management and we will let you know. You're going to locate that approved landline and then dial the 1844 number that is located on the back of your ID badge that we provide you when you first start. When you call this number, you will hear an automated voice. You will then enter the 4-digit PIN that is also located on the back of your ID badge when they ask for it. To clock out using the IVR system, you're going to follow the exact same steps that you took to clock in. Now, if you're unable to do step 1 and step 2, you would then turn to our third step in the 3-step process, which is to send a picture of a landline when you get to the account and before you leave the account. You're going to locate a landline on site and then send a picture of the screen with the date and time stamped via text message or through Swept messages. Make sure when you send this picture that they are crystal clear and that they are good quality. Swept tends to blur out any pictures, no matter how good of quality it is. So in the morning, we should have received 2 pictures, one for your clock in time and one for your clock out time. We will be holding all employees accountable for errors regarding clocking in or clocking out. If you're a new employee, we're gonna give you a couple of weeks to get familiar with the 3-step process. After that, you will be held accountable as well. If you're having issues with this process, we will first give you an oral warning and let you know how to resolve this issue. After 3 oral warnings, you will be written up. We need to have proper documentation of all time entries to run payroll. So whatever is logged into Swept is what you're going to get paid for. Keep this in mind and be aware of this when you're showing up for your scheduled shifts. Thank you so much and have a great day.